you guys are having a super amazing day today. Guys, I have an unboxing to do. I received a package, guys, all the way from Alaska. Like, what the hell? I know, I received so many boxes, like, from all over the United States. Not only the United States, but different countries. But guys, I haven't received anything from Alaska. It's from Witch Mountain, which I have been following them on Instagram for a while, guys. And not only is the baby girl good at like making hot sauces, like you can see all different types of stuff, but guys, she makes some bomb food que se me hace agua la boca, like, you know what I'm saying? And Alaska, guys, I mean, that I know of, they go and like, they fish for salmon, like the king salmon and stuff like that. So that means that they must have like super amazing bomb seafood, guys. Like, I mean, we have good seafood here in Washington, but I mostly have to go like up to Seattle to get that good stuff, you know? And I'm down south, guys. Like, it's almost like a desert here, like that bien seco and I know, I gotta move up that way. Anyways, guys, vamos a abrirla. So I have my cuchillo and let's get this baby open. Vamos a ver qué agarré. A ver si puedo abrirla. Okay, there. Oh, guys. Oh my goodness. Oh, look how it comes packaged. That is so cool. This says Witch Kitchen, Cordova, Alaska. Oh, guys, that has a wax seal on it. That is so cool. Look at this. Look at this wax seal. I don't even want to take it off. So, guys, the color, it looks really good. This is the lemon pop. Oh, so I'm expecting a lemony taste, some citrusy. Okay, this hot sauce. What are the ingredients? Lemon drop peppers. Oh, guys, lemon drop peppers, they're delicious. And you actually taste the limon in them. Like, they're really good. And they're so beautiful. They are beautiful peppers to grow. Okay, it has, oh my goodness, it has Scotch bonnet. I thought it's just gonna be the lemon drops, so it's gonna be some heat into this one, guys. Some Scotch bonnets, nombre, they're spicy. Carrots, golden raisins. Ooh, that gives it that beautiful color. También adds to that, you know? That way you don't take it away with regular raisins. And they also are more fruity. Like the golden raisins, have you guys tried them? They're more fruity. I really like them. Peppercorns, juniper berries, really, apple cider vinegar, lemon concentrate, lemon zest. Telling you guys, it's gonna have that citrusy flavor in here. Yeah, I already know this. Mango juice, onion, Himalayan pink salt, sugar, spices, and xanthan gum as an added preservative. Let's give it a good little shake. And oh, can I take this without taking this off? Like, I don't, maybe if I do it very carefully. It's just, guys, you guys know, like, I have a thing for like keeping all types of packages, and this is so cool. So I don't want to like, okay, it's gonna be like 5 minutes later I get into it. I'm just kidding. I'm really trying. I just don't really want to ruin this though. I want to save it. It's because it looks so cool. Okay, ahí vamos, guys. Oh, don't tell me I can do it like that. Oh, look at that, guys. Look at that. Oh, okay, let me put this down. Let me put it down. And let me go ahead and, I smell the lemony. Oh, you know what? I haven't even tasted it, but I already want some seafood on it. Like, oh, some beard battered fish tacos. Oh my goodness. It's a nice liquidy consistency. Oh my goodness, this zest in here. Perfect amount of saltiness. I thought it was gonna be more of a sweet sauce, but it's not. The citrus in here, guys. Pónselo on some oysters. Some oysters with this, guys. No, hombre. Olvídate. All types of seafood. Like, all types of seafood. There's, oh, you know, just give me like some salmon and it's good. This is so good. It's hot. It has some heat in it. Towards the end, though, you get to experience all these amazing flavors up front. I'm telling you guys, the spices, the zestiness, the citrusy notes in here, nombre, so good. The perfect amount of saltiness. I just want to put this on oysters, like, ¿ya ven that? Like, it's already like spring. They should have oysters, right? I need to go to the store and get me some oysters. That's what I need to do. Oysters this weekend, guys. I already called it. Oh, guys, it's so delicious. You guys have to get your hands on with this one. This sauce is so good. Imagínate, baby girl, in your witch kitchen, you crafting some bomb goodness. I'm telling you guys, this one would be good on anything. Like, even make some, stop, don't even go there. Some mixed drinks, guys, some mixed drinks, and put this in there. Like, it has a nice amount of heat into it to give it like a good kick. It has like a sweetness with the saltiness, the zestiness, the citrusy notes in here. This one's bomb. It's good. This is like an everything sauce. Like, not only seafood, but like ice cream. I'm telling you guys, mixed drinks. Una margarita, nombre. So good. Guys, stop me because si no me la acabo and I need it for some oysters on the weekend. So good. So effing delicious. Guys, thanks a million for watching, baby girl. This is so good. This is so good. Like, amazingly good. Like, you can just drink this. That's how good it is, guys. I'm telling you guys, it does have heat, but towards the end, definitely tolerable though. Definitely tolerable. So I know y'all can try it. Don't be like, oh, I can't do hot sauce. No, this one, guys, for like everybody. Gives you that kick towards the end so you can experience all the flavors. Thanks for watching, guys. Baby girl, thanks for creating it. Have an amazing day, guys. Bye.